Good morning, Lily. It's Tuesday and I'm sick. I've got a cold. And it's dreadful outside. Absolutely dreadful. Um, this is probably going to be a short video because I'm sick and cold and have a lot of homework. It's that time of the year, I'm afraid. But yes, your birthday is coming up very soon, so that's exciting. Do you have any fun birthday plans? And yeah, I think that might be all because I'm on cold medicine and I'm super tired and fighting off this bug. So, yeah, that's exciting. My life is thrilling. I'm gonna go finish working on. Oh, you know what's awesome? I finished my XML early today, and no one knows what that means except for a few who I've complained to about it. And it's just the most exciting thing because XML, or like FML, is the bane of my existence. I'm actually really liking it, but it's just a little stressful, and I have to get it done. And so, yeah. Cool. I'm gonna sign off now, and I hope you have a fabulous week and that you don't get sick and that your paper on courtly loves and things goes well. And yeah, I will see you on Friday.